You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Unlock the secret to growing juicy, healthy pears in your backyard with simple steps anyone can follow. Growing a pear, Pyrus communis, in your garden can be an incredibly rewarding experience, blending beauty, health benefits, and fresh fruit harvests into one. These trees are admired not only for their delicious, sweet fruit, but also for their elegant spring blossoms and structured growth. Understanding the ideal conditions for your pear tree ensures it will thrive and produce abundantly year after year. Starting with light and temperature requirements, pear trees flourish in full sun, ideally receiving at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. This amount of light promotes photosynthesis, strong branch development, and optimal fruit production. While pears are generally hardy, they prefer temperate climates with well-defined seasons. Most varieties do best in USDA zones 4 to 9, tolerating cold winters to fulfill dormancy needs, and resisting summer heat with proper irrigation and mulching. Soil and root care. The foundation of a healthy pear tree is its root system. Plant your pear in well-draining soil rich in organic matter to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Loamy soil with slightly acidic to neutral pH, 6.0 to 7.0, is ideal. Avoid heavy clay soils unless amended with compost or sand to improve drainage. A key element for beginners is watering routine. Newly planted trees should be watered deeply twice a week during their first growing season to establish deep roots. Mature trees generally require deep watering once every 7 to 10 days during dry spells. Overhead watering is less effective than soaking the root zone and can increase disease susceptibility. Adding a 2 to 4 inch layer of mulch around the base helps conserve moisture, regulate soil temperature, and improve soil structure over time, but never pile mulch directly against the trunk to avoid rot. Fertilizing and pruning. Fertilization should align with the tree's growth cycle. Early spring is the optimal time to feed your pear tree with a balanced fertilizer or organic amendments, such as composted manure, bone meal, or fish emulsion. Avoid excessive nitrogen late in the season, as it can promote leafy growth at the expense of fruiting. Pruning, meanwhile, is essential for shaping the tree, encouraging air circulation, and removing dead or diseased wood. Prune lightly after harvest or during late winter, focusing on an open, vase-shaped canopy. Beginners should prioritize removing crossing branches and maintaining a strong central leader for structural stability. Flowering and pollination. In spring, pear trees burst into delicate white or pink blossoms, which attract pollinators such as bees. Most pear varieties require cross-pollination from another compatible variety to produce fruit effectively. Planting 2 or more compatible trees nearby ensures that pollination is successful, leading to a healthy and abundant harvest. Watching the flowering process and pollinator activity also provides an engaging, educational gardening experience, connecting you with nature in a meaningful way. Fruit development and harvest. As summer progresses, small fruit begins to form, gradually enlarging over the season. Pears require consistent water during this time to develop juicy, high-quality fruit. Uneven watering can cause issues like fruit splitting. Monitoring for pests, such as coddling moths or aphids, is crucial. Natural remedies include neem oil, horticultural soaps, or introducing beneficial insects. Harvest time varies depending on variety, but fruit should be picked when slightly firm yet full-colored, allowing it to ripen off the tree for best flavor. Regular harvests prevent overripe fruit from attracting pests and reduce disease risk. Common problems and solutions. Pear trees can face challenges such as fire blight, leaf spot, or powdery mildew. These issues are generally manageable through proper spacing, pruning for airflow, and maintaining cleanliness in the garden by removing fallen leaves and debris. Consistent monitoring allows early intervention, reducing the need for harsh chemical treatments. Furthermore, providing winter protection for young trees, such as mulching the root zone or wrapping trunks, prevents frost damage. Container planting. For gardeners with limited space, pear trees can be grown in large containers. Container trees require frequent watering and more frequent fertilization due to limited soil volume. Selecting dwarf varieties works best for patio or balcony cultivation. Ensure adequate drainage and position the container in a sunny spot with proper wind protection. Container-grown trees also offer flexibility, allowing relocation to shelter during extreme weather. Connecting with nature. Beyond technical care, growing a pear tree fosters a connection with nature. Observing blossoms, tracking pollinator activity, and eventually tasting the fruits of your labor cultivates mindfulness, patience, and a deeper appreciation for seasonal cycles. A pear tree offers not just fruit, but a living experience that teaches gardening, sustainability, and ecological awareness. Long-term care. Year after year, maintaining your pear tree involves regular monitoring for soil health, adjusting watering routines according to weather conditions, and ongoing pruning and fertilization. Keeping a garden journal can help track growth, flowering, and fruiting patterns, enhancing your ability to predict care needs and optimize yields. Pear trees can live for decades, providing both aesthetic value and nutritional benefits, making them a long-term investment in your garden's beauty and productivity. Grow with Nature Nurture Hub and transform your backyard into a flourishing sanctuary with juicy, sun-kissed pears that bring joy, flavor, and sustainability to your daily life. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.